Hi everyone, I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today I am shooting the last video of our gold teeth video series, and I will use my 2mm 5 facet diamond tool. As you know, I am always using Bulunmaz Micromotor, and I fixed my tool. I will use it on 45,000 RPM. Everything is ready to go. Let's start. Two mm 5 facet diamond tool, Bulunmaz Micromotor, gold teeth, and I will decorate my gold teeth with diamond tools now. The name of our model is 5 facets. The names come from the facet shapes faced on the diamond shape. So as you can see, it doesn't have a degree but different phases, so it reflects the light a lot. That model will not take a lot because I'm simply making direct cuts. It's not a cross cut as 2mm 140 tool. You just need to make direct cuts with the tool. I'm using Bulunmaz Micromotor that comes with 220 watt as a standard size for European and Asian markets, but if you are from United States, Mexico, Canada or similar markets, you need 110 watt. So if you are placing order from this area, United States, Mexico, Canada, don't forget to indicate where you are from so we know which machine to send you out. Two mm 5 facet tool. There are 5 phases on the tool, so it reflects all the lights from all around us, all the sides. So the process completed in less than 5 minutes. Why? Because I just make direct cuts. I didn't cross cut. I just make up to down cuts, and my gold teeth is ready with a lot of shine. If you wanna see more similar videos with different diamond tools model on different gold teeth, just have a look at the descriptions of this video below, and I will put all the links of different tools from our set I made for you. Here are some more gold teeth models made with different diamond tools. and that's the one I just made with 2mm 5 facet tool. We have a lot of diamond tool model. We have up to 300 different diamond tools. I used 8 most popular diamond tools in this video series. You may also have a look at our Instagram account to see more models with different tools. Thank you so much for watching us, and see you again in the next videos.